In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove Big Cartel from your store's URL so your website looks clean, professional, and fully branded. This only takes a couple of minutes, so let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Big Cartel. Log into your account, and once you're in, go straight to your account settings. This is where you control the main features of your store, including the domain section. Now look for the option labeled Custom Domain. This is the key to removing Big Cartel from your URL. Before you continue, it's important to know that custom domains are only available on their paid plans. If you are currently on the free plan, you'll see a prompt asking you to upgrade before you can connect your own domain. Once you've upgraded, you're ready to attach a domain you already own or buy a new one from any domain registrar. After that, Big Cartel will give you the exact DNS settings you need to copy into your domain provider. Just follow those instructions, save your changes, and give the system a moment to update. When everything is connected correctly, your store will load with your custom domain and the Big Cartel part of the URL will be gone for good. And that's all it takes. A cleaner, more professional URL in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.